You keep trying to fit me in your frame, cut my corners, change my name. Every time I bend, I lose a piece, and what's left of me don't get no peace. You say love's a perfect design, but I ain't made a color inside the line. I ain't your puzzle, don't try to make me fit. I'm a rough cut soul, and I'm fine with it. You want edges smooth and corners round, but it's so hard, don't sand down. Yeah, I ain't your puzzle, never will be found. You draw your dreams on a cardboard sky, try to press me in, but I don't comply. I'm the piece that fell behind the chair, dusty, stubborn, still down there. You say love's a picture we can fix, but I'm tired of playing your box of tricks. I ain't your puzzle, don't try to make me fit. I'm a rough cut soul, and I'm fine with it. You want edges smooth and corners round, but this old heart don't sand down. Yeah, I ain't your puzzle, never will be found. Maybe someday you'll understand, I was never made by no steady hand. I'm jagged true, I'm wild and free, and that's the peace that's meant to be. I ain't your puzzle, don't try to make me fit. You can't reshape what was born like this. You want edges smooth and corners round, but this old heart won't back down. Yeah, I ain't your puzzle, you can't figure me out.